Most credit card advice online is sponsored. The creator gets paid $200 every time you apply, so they recommend cards that pay them the most, not cards that help you the most. This video is different. I make money from affiliate links too, but I'm only linking the cards I actually recommend. Here are the 5 credit cards worth getting in 2026 and the 10 you should avoid completely. Travel influencers push premium cards with $695 annual fees because those pay the highest commissions. Finance bureaus recommend business cards to college students who don't have businesses. The incentives are backwards. The more complicated and expensive the card, the more the affiliate earns. So that's what gets recommended. This video ranks cards by value to you, not payout to me. Card 1. Chase Freedom Unlimited. Best first card, no annual fee. 1.5% cash back on everything. 5% on travel booked through Chase. 3% on dining and drugstores. This is the card to get if you're building credit from zero. Simple. No categories to track. No fees. Approval odds are decent if you have 6+ months of credit history. Card 2. Citi Double Cash. Best simple cashback, no annual fee. 2% cashback on everything. 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay it off. No rotating categories, no points systems, just 2% back on every purchase. If you want cash back without thinking, this is it. Card 3. Capital One SavorOne. Best for dining, no annual fee. 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, groceries, and streaming. If you spend heavily on food and subscriptions, this card pays for itself immediately. Also has a $200 sign-up bonus after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. Card 4. Discover It Cash Back. Best rotating categories, no annual fee. 5% cash back on rotating categories each quarter. Gas stations 1 quarter, Amazon the next, restaurants after that. 1% on everything else. Plus, Discover matches all your cash back earned in your first year. Spend $1,000, get $2,000 back total. Card 5. Chase Sapphire Preferred. Best travel card if you actually travel, $95 annual fee. 2 times points on travel and dining, 1 times on everything else. Points transfer to airline and hotel partners. This card only makes sense if you're spending $5,000 plus annually on travel and dining. If not, skip it. Cards to avoid. Store credit cards target Red Card, Amazon Store Card, Best Buy Card. These are designed to trap you in high-interest debt. APRs run 25% to 30%. The 5% discount disappears the second you carry a balance. If you must get one, pay it off in full every single month or don't apply. Cards to avoid. Annual fee cards when you're starting out. Chase Sapphire Reserve. American Express Platinum. These cost $550 to $695 per year. You need to spend $20,000 plus annually on the right categories just to break even. If you're not traveling internationally multiple times per year, you're losing money. Cards to avoid. Cards marketed to students with predatory terms, Credit One Bank. Anything with pre-approved in the mailer. These charge annual fees for terrible rewards. 1% cash back with a $99 annual fee means you need to spend $10,000 just to break even. Absolute scam. Cards to avoid. Secured cards, unless you have 0 other options. Secured cards require a deposit up front. You give them $300, they give you a $300 credit limit. Only get one if you've been denied everywhere else. Otherwise, get an unsecured card that doesn't lock up your cash. Cards to avoid. Anything offering 0% APR as the main benefit. 0% intro APR sounds great, but it ends, usually after 12 months. Then the rate jumps to 24%. If you're using this to finance a purchase, you're already in trouble. Credit cards are not loans. Treat them like debit cards you pay off monthly. Ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Do I pay my balance in full every month? If no, rewards don't matter. Just get the lowest APR card possible. 2. What do I spend the most money on? Pick a card that rewards that category. 3. Can I handle tracking rotating categories, or do I want set it forget it? Answer those and the right card becomes obvious. Comment which card you're going with or which one you already have. Links to every card I mentioned are in the description. Only apply if it actually makes sense for you. Next video, how I built a 750 plus credit score in 18 months starting from zero. Subscribe to CashStack. Most people start behind. You have YouTube,